In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide Instagram chats without deleting messages. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram. Now if we tap right here to go to our chats, and let's say if we want to hide some particular conversation from that list, actually we cannot do so now because there is no such option here. However, now I'm going to show you a quick workaround that will allow us to do so. So guys, first off we need to tap right there to go to our Instagram profile page. Once it's done, tap right here at these three lines to go to the settings and activity, and after that we need to scroll down all the way until we find account type and tools. And on the next step we'll be able to switch our Instagram account to a professional by tapping right here. Now I'm gonna hit continue all the time. On the next step we can choose kind of a category for our Instagram account. I'm just gonna keep it personal blog and then hit done. Then I'm gonna click next, and now we can close it by hitting right here. So guys, we have just successfully switched our Instagram account from a personal to a professional, and now if we go right here to our chats list, we can see that here we got two different tabs, and now we can filter our conversations. We have primary tab and general tab. And if we want to now hide any Instagram chat from our primary list of conversations, we can easily swipe to the left and then hit general. What that will do, that will immediately hide this conversation from primary chats, and now as you can see this conversation has been moved to general section. In this way we can easily move any conversations to general, and that's how we can actually hide any conversation without deleting their messages. Basically guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.